So Srishti, what's the point of doing leg day every single day? The point of doing legs day every single day for 7 days is to remove the fear of leg exercises from our mind and to remove the fear of pain which is associated with the leg exercises, which causes so much of soreness. Isn't 7 days a really small amount of time to be learning new exercises and having results? Yes, 7 days is a really small amount of time to be looking for results, but I feel like personally 7 days is the perfect time period to be doing one type of exercises. For example, doing only leg day exercises for 30 days might have been too excessive on my joints and my legs, but 7 days is feels like the perfect optimal time to be doing a single kind of exercise for 7 days. So the most important point of me doing leg day exercises every single day is that I stopped doing leg exercises because I sort of started this thing where I just do whatever comes to my mind, and doing leg exercises never really comes to my mind. So that is why this video, and I started doing legs day every single day because I just wanted to remove that fear out of my mind of the pain the next day, because there's a lot of pain associated with it. Let's just all collectively agree upon this, and that is for a good reason, because leg muscles are really big muscles. They are a really big part of our body, so because of that they also have a lot of pain receptors. So a lot of pain receptors send signals to your brain that I'm paining, and that is why it hurts so much. But that is also one of the reasons why you need to train them, because they are such a big and important part of your body, and they are a foundation that your body is built upon, and you always want the foundation to be strong. And that is why I started doing leg day every single day. That was sort of to take the pain fear out of my mind, and boy did that happen. I was so sore. You want to talk about the soreness? I was soreness. I didn't have any soreness. I was the goddess of soreness for 7 days. It hurt so much. I couldn't walk, I couldn't get out of my bed, and climbing stairs, let's just not even talk about that. It was so bad. So I have sort of learned how to deal with soreness, and because it just hurts so much. I don't know if it is going to hurt so much if I just keep doing one leg day every week. I think I'm going to be okay from now on. So the next part is that anything which I have learned from these challenges is that these challenges, they tend to get repetitive so quickly, and that is why I decided not to repeat any kind of exercises. So I did new exercises every single day, and I am not bhandar of new exercises. So I search for new exercises every single day, and I know so much more about leg exercises. I found out more about them. I have done inner thigh, I have done outer thigh, I have done calves, I have done hips, I have done leg extensions. I have done everything which you can with your body weight, which doesn't involve equipments. Today is the day 5th of my leg workout, and I woke up at 10 o'clock because I slept at 5 o'clock because I binge watched the entire Family Man series, and that series is really great. I know it received a lot of criticism because of the last shot where they literally shoot a plane from the ground and it gets shot. But when the story is that good, I feel like they deserve a little bit of dramaticism. So it gets a thumbs up from me. It was a really good series. But I feel really bad right now. I feel groggy. I have acidity. Just a lot of problems. I feel sore in the places I didn't know I could, and yeah, it's not going well. So sleep on time, Srishti, if you're watching this. And now is a really good news for all the boys out there. Because leg muscles are so bigger, they send a lot of signals to your brain that the muscles are being used a lot. So they stimulate the right kind of hormones, for example, growth hormone and testosterone, which sort of causes your muscle growth. So when you do leg days, even the other muscles in your body, they start increasing in shape. Troy, who is like a guy here on YouTube who has a fitness channel, he made a video about it, that his muscles sort of reached a plateau and they stopped growing. But ever since he started doing leg day every single day, his muscles started growing back again. So that just proves that how important doing leg muscle exercises is for the rest of your body and not just your legs. The next sort of interesting thing which came out as a bummer to me as well is that there's a lot of pressure on your dominant part of the body. For example, you're a right-handed person, there's a lot of pressure on your right hand of the body, and the same thing goes to your legs. If your dominant leg is suppose the right leg, then there's a lot of extra pressure which is created, whenever you do exercises or whenever you do normal everyday work as well. So when you do leg exercises, it creates equal pressure on both of the legs, because we do exercises on both of the legs, so that non-dominant leg pressure stops increasing, and that prevents a lot of injuries from happening. And that was like a mind-blowing fact to me that I never thought about this thing. Now again, I'm saying this for the millionth time, because leg muscles are such big part of your body, they also sort of stimulate cardiac muscles, that is your heart muscles more, and that sort of increases your heart rate even further. So this is like a really great news for all the girls out there who want to burn more calories in your workouts. So leg day workout are a really great option of doing them, because they stimulate more cardiac muscles, that which causes you more calorie burns, which also keeps you in shape. So I feel like everybody is going to be really pumped to be doing leg exercises after watching this video. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about these madness challenges of me, and if you want to try me out to even more challenges, if you have any ideas, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.